Welcome to this brief tutorial of the Overview Portal home screen. By now you have received an email from the Logikos Overview team with a portal link and login information. Please reference this email if you would like to follow along with me during this video. In this tutorial, I will be highlighting key portal features to help you become more familiar with your new Overview portal. Each item will be covered in more detail in further tutorials. If you are following along, navigate to your new Overview portal. Your new Overview portal consists of the following key features: a main menu, container tabs, both a map and view configuration menu, a map area, an asset list, as well as an asset detail view dialog. The main menu, located on the upper left-hand side, is used for administering your Overview portal. It gives you the ability to view a listing of your assets, administer your assets, and configure reports. Under the main menu are the container tabs. The container tabs allow you to select or deselect containers in the map area, label assets on your map, or display potential job sites. Navigating to the upper right-hand side, you will see a logout button along with the current time and date. Under the current time and date is a map configuration menu and a view configuration menu. These menus will allow you to customize your current Overview portal experience and will be covered in depth in later training videos. Below the map and view configuration menus is the map area. The map area will display your containers and assets. It features an interactive Google Map experience. You can customize the view to display the map with or without terrain, or satellite with or without labels. You can also select the toggle full screen button to transition into a full screen map mode. To exit full screen mode, you can select the toggle full screen button, press the escape key, or select the exit full screen button. The map also features a zoom in or out feature and a street view mode. You may also use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in or out. The asset list located under the map area is a centralized detail view of individual assets based on their container type. It can be turned on or off by clicking the Map Only button within the View configuration menu. To the right of the asset list is the Asset Detail view. When selecting an asset from the map or from within the asset list, this view displays a detailed report of the particular asset. Depending upon the asset type, it will also give you a quick menu to edit the asset. For example, when selecting a job site from the map, the Asset Detail view will display the following shortcuts for your convenience: Edit Asset, Close Job Site History Report, and Email Job Site History Report. Thank you for joining me on this brief tutorial of the Overview portal home screen features. Join me for the additional training videos where I will go into more depth on each of these Overview portal features. For more information, please click this link or email our sales team at overviewsales@logikos.com.